Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the first conditional when going about your daily activities. We use the first conditional when we talk about real and possible future situations and their result. The first conditional sentence has two clauses, the condition clause and the result clause. The condition clause is also called the if clause. In the condition clause, the verb is always in the present simple form, and in the result clause, the verb is in the future simple form. That is, it starts with will, and will is followed by the verb in its infinitive, that is, in its base form. Example: if we finish early, we will go home. The verb in the condition clause is finish, and it is in the present simple form. What is the verb in the result clause? If you said go, you are right, but the verb is will go. It's in the future simple tense. This is an example of a first conditional sentence. Can you locate the first conditional sentence? It is right here. Starts with if. If the terms are acceptable, I will sign the contract. You can use the first conditional in different contexts, like when making plans in the workplace, when buying things from the store, when. Another example, can you locate the first conditional sentence in this statement? It's here, the second sentence. If they agree with the terms, we will assign the contract. The verb in the condition clause is agree, and the verb in the result clause is will sign. Will sign in the future simple tense. This is another example of how first conditionals are used in everyday situations. We will apply the discount if you order in bulk. Will apply is the verb in the future simple tense, and order is the verb in the condition clause. What do you notice about this sentence? The result clause comes first, and that is correct. Sometimes the result clause comes first. You state what will happen, then after you state what will happen, you state the condition under which it will happen. This is also a correct way to form the first conditional statement. What about forming negative sentences in the first conditional structure? Let's look at some examples. This is the form to use to form the negative sentence. The negative words like don't or won't usually comes before the verb. Example: if I don't finish my homework early, I won't watch TV. The positive form is if I finish my homework early, I will watch TV. So the don't comes before the verb and won't comes before the verb in the result clause. Won't is the same as will not. So I will not watch TV if I don't finish my homework early. Here is another example. If it rains, we will stay home. If it doesn't rain, we won't stay home. Switching clauses. We discussed that already a little bit. That just means switching the order of clauses when the result clause comes before the condition clause. So you can say, if she studies hard, she will pass the exam. If is the condition clause, and the result is she will pass the exam. But you can also start with the result clause by saying, she will pass the exam if she studies hard. Both sentences are correct. What will be the sentence when you switch the order of clauses? If I study, I will pass the exam. It will be, I will pass the exam if I study. More examples. Now, your turn. Write this sentence with the result clause first. If you study and understand the information in the handout, you will pass the exam. So, in the comment section, write it with the result clause first. I'll let you know how you did. Common mistakes to avoid when using the first conditional. Will does not come in the if clause like this one here. If I will study, I pass. This is wrong. It's if I study, I will pass. Will is in the result clause with the verb in its base form. What about this one? What is wrong with this sentence? If he will come to the meeting, I will tell him. Will is in the if clause, which is wrong, is if he comes to the meeting, I will tell him. Yeah, this is the correct one. And this one, if it rain, we will stay inside. Correct form, if it rains, we will stay inside. The present simple form of rain is rains when used with it. Now, your turn to practice. Write the negative form of this sentence in the first conditional. If they arrive early, we will start the tour on time. Write the negative form in the comment section. Switching the order of clauses. Okay, so write this sentence with the result clause first. The condition clause is first here. It says, if I finish early, I will go to the gym. What if you want to emphasize the result first? Our next lesson will be on the second conditional. Have you ever heard statements like if I were or if I had and wondered how to use them correctly? Find out in our next lesson when we discuss the second conditional. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe for more clear English lessons, and leave a comment with your first conditional sentence in different forms. All right.